Welcome to Snake River Meadow. This sign is one of the first things that you'll see when you come to our property, whether it's for a tour or for an event. It does say The Meadow. We just had a name change shortly after we got this sign made, but you are in the right place, I promise. When you first pull into our driveway, this sign is what you'll see. When you pull in, if you want to go to the lodge or the venue, you will take the path on your left, which is my right. If you want to go to the cottage or the ranch house, you'll take the path that will be on your right, which is on my left. This is number 1 on our map, the Meadow Muffin Venue. Mountain River Ranch used to host dinner shows here during the summer and during the winter time, but now they also do them during Christmas. During the summertime, we rent it out for weddings, family reunions, girls' camps, you name it, we probably will rent it out for you. Inside, we have 25 farmhouse tables, as well as ceremony benches and 150 chairs to go with said tables. We also have some decor that you're welcome to use for your wedding or retreat, and there is also a full commercial kitchen in there that you are welcome to use for any food, meals, or anything that you might need to prepare. This is one of the more popular spots that people set up for ceremony. They love the river access. They love that you can see it during photos, and it's absolutely gorgeous during sunset. You are also welcome to fish off of this river access. You just have to have your own license because this is the direct dry bed from the Snake River. All right, now we are at spot number 2, the lodge. So this is our newest addition to the property. It sleeps 22 across the whole building, and it has 4 separate units. 3 of the units are hotel style, so they have 2 queen beds and a bathroom. And then the final one is what we call our North Wing suite. So it has 5 queen beds across the entire unit. 4 of them are upstairs, 1 of them's downstairs in its own separate room. And it also has a full kitchen. So that's usually where people will hang out for breakfast in between events for the day. This is one of our other add-ons that you can purchase in addition to your rental. We have bikes that are available. So we have 3 mountain bikes and 2 electric bikes that you're welcome to rent. They have different prices per hour, per day, but you can also just add them onto your package as a whole, and you do get discounted pricing that way. This is number 3 on our map, our ranch house. This is one of my favorite buildings on the property. It sleeps 8. It has a Murphy bed as well as a twin trundle pullout, and then it has 2 other queen beds in the house. It also includes a Jack and Jill bathroom as well as a separate master bathroom, and then it also has some apple trees in the backyard that you guys are welcome to pick and eat apples off of. Okay, and this is number 4. This is our cottage. This is the second building on the property. The ranch house is the original, and then the original owner's daughter built this little cottage for her and her husband to stay in. This is a super small building. It's perfect for just those intimate moments after weddings when you just want to get away. It has 1 queen bed and then a trundle day bed. They are both twins on that trundle, so you have the twin day bed and then the trundle pullout. It also has a full kitchen and 1 bathroom. This is number 5. On the map, it's listed as the Red Barn, but on our website, you'll see it as the Recreation Barn. It's one of our newest additions to the property. We recently installed an 80-inch TV, as well as some card tables and plenty of EVs for you and your families to enjoy. This is the perfect add-on for after weddings, reunions, just to kind of get away and have a moment where you can enjoy a good movie or play some fun games. If you have consoles, you're more than welcome to bring them in and hook them up to our wonderful 80-inch TV with surround sound speakers, and it's just a great place for you to have a good time. This is our on-site pond. We stock it with trout that you are able to do catch and release fishing with artificial lures only. This is also a great place for people to go either before or after the wedding to kind of hang out, enjoy some lovely scenery. We have paddle boards that you're welcome to use. You're welcome to bring your own. We just require that children wear life jackets and an adult supervises. This is number 7 on the map, our axe throwing and woodpile area. So axe throwing is an add-on you can put onto any package, whether it's for a wedding, a family reunion, or just a girls' camp. We provide the axes, you just have to show up, and then we will have someone from our team instruct you on the best way to throw your axe and where to stand to make sure that nobody gets hurt or injured while you're enjoying yourselves. This is number 8. This is one of our Frisbee golf holes. They are scattered around the property, and then there is one inside of our recreation barn that you're able to move as you want. That way you can kind of set up your own course with that one that's in the rec barn. Other than that, it's kind of a fun experience to walk around and find the golf holes and just make the course your own. This is number 9 on our map, our Nootka sauna. You can use this either as a wet or a dry sauna. If you want to use it as a wet sauna, we have a spigot that's just slightly over that way that you can collect well water from, and you can set your own temperature. And this is included as an add-on for any packages, so you can add it on to whatever you want. This is number 10 on our map, the apple orchard. This is actually in the backyard of the ranch house. There are multiple different kinds of apples here, from transparents to Macintoshes, and if they're ripe during the fall season, you're more than welcome to come out and pick some and have a lovely breakfast with some fresh apples. Now we're at number 11, our rodeo arena. It's not so much used for rodeos anymore, but this is where we keep our on-site bees, where we make our Snake River Meadow honey. This is also a fun photo spot if you and your bridal party or entourage want to go in and be like, we were in a rodeo arena. This is a great place for you guys to just kind of have out, make good memories, and if you're interested in hosting a rodeo, we may be able to work something out, so reach out to us. We have 4 fire pits on the property. We have 1 by our venue, we have 1 by our on-property pond, and then we have 2 that are over by our ranch house and our cottage. This is our other fire pit in this area. It's the one by the pond. This is great for roasting marshmallows for s'mores or just kind of having a nice hangout in the evening with your friends and family.